Hi, this is Wesley playing with Hero in the garden. He's doing really well, learning to be very gentle with children, not jumping up and down anymore. He's a very happy, gentle, very sweet little puppy. Wesley, come on, walk. Wesley, come on. Let's go, Wesley. Take Hero upstairs. Come on. Your coach is here. Come on, let's go. Come on, Hero. Wesley gotta go to school. Gotta go swimming. Okay, go up the stairs. Hero, go. Let's go, Hero. You don't want to go out? Wesley, pull. Come on, you gotta go. Coach is upstairs waiting. Hero, you want to go upstairs? Wesley, hurry. Just walk and he'll follow you. Okay, go up the stairs. Wesley, you have to go first. Wesley? Good boy, Wesley. Good boy, Hero. Coach is here. Come on.